Low physical activity combined with obesity significantly increases the risk of pancreatic cancer, one of the most aggressive and lethal malignancies. Obesity contributes to a state of chronic low-grade inflammation, insulin resistance, and elevated levels of circulating growth factors such as insulin and IGF, 1, all of which can promote abnormal pancreatic cell proliferation. When sedentary behaviors compound these metabolic disturbances, the risk intensifies. Physical inactivity slows metabolism, reduces insulin sensitivity, and contributes to visceral fat accumulation, which is particularly harmful because fat surrounding the pancreas secretes pro-inflammatory cytokines that can damage tissue and create a microenvironment favorable to tumor development. Over time, this combination of obesity and inactivity not only promotes the initial onset of pancreatic cancer, but may also accelerate tumor progression once abnormal cells have emerged. The encouraging news is that both dietary and lifestyle interventions can meaningfully reduce this risk by targeting the underlying mechanisms of metabolic stress, inflammation, and oxidative damage. One potent dietary strategy is the regular consumption of green tea. Green tea contains bioactive polyphenol, most notably epigallocatechin 3, gallate, EGSG, which laboratory studies have shown to inhibit pancreatic cancer cell proliferation, induce apoptosis in abnormal cells, and modulate signaling pathways involved in inflammation and tumor growth. These polyphenol also act as antioxidants, neutralizing free radicals produced by excess fat tissue and oxidative stress, and supporting overall DNA stability in pancreatic cells. Regular consumption of green tea, combined with a balanced diet, can enhance the body's natural defenses and help counteract some of the harmful effects of obesity. Integrating green tea into daily life is straightforward and flexible. Drinking 2 to 3 cups per day, either hot or iced, provides a consistent supply of protective polyphenol. To maximize absorption, it is best consumed without sugar, milk, or cream, which can reduce bioavailability. Pairing green tea with meals or enjoying it as a mid-morning or afternoon beverage encourages regular consumption while supporting hydration, another factor that promotes metabolic and cellular health. Green tea can also be combined with citrus fruits or herbs to enhance flavor while adding additional antioxidants, such as vitamin C, which further strengthens the body's ability to neutralize reactive oxygen species. The protective effects of green tea are amplified when combined with regular physical activity. Exercise improves insulin sensitivity, reduces visceral fat, and lowers systemic inflammation, directly countering the metabolic conditions that favor pancreatic cancer. Aerobic activities such as brisk walking, cycling, swimming, or jogging stimulate circulation and promote fat metabolism, while resistance training builds lean muscle mass, which enhances glucose uptake and further reduces insulin levels. Even short bouts of daily movement, such as 10 to 15-minute walks after meals, help regulate blood sugar and limit the inflammatory impact of sedentary periods. For individuals with obesity, combining dietary polyphenol with incremental increases in physical activity creates a synergistic protective effect that is far more powerful than either intervention alone. A broader diet focused on anti-inflammatory and antioxidant-rich foods strengthens this approach. Including leafy greens, cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and kale, berries, nuts, and whole grains supports detoxification, reduces oxidative stress, and fosters a healthy gut microbiome, which indirectly influences systemic inflammation and immune surveillance. Limiting processed foods, refined sugars, and high-fat fried foods prevents further metabolic stress on the pancreas and reduces pro-inflammatory triggers. Adequate hydration helps the pancreas and other organs function efficiently, while supporting the transport of nutrients and the elimination of toxins. Lifestyle factors such as sleep and stress management further contribute to risk reduction. Chronic stress elevates cortisol, which worsens insulin resistance and visceral fat accumulation, while insufficient sleep disrupts hormone balance and metabolism. Incorporating stress reduction techniques, such as mindfulness meditation, yoga, or simple deep breathing exercises, alongside a consistent sleep schedule of 7 to 8 hours per night supports hormone regulation, immune function, and cellular repair mechanisms. These practices complement dietary polyphenol and exercise in creating an internal environment less favorable to tumor initiation and growth. The warning about low physical activity and obesity underscores the importance of proactive prevention. By combining movement with green tea and an anti-inflammatory, nutrient-rich diet, adults can significantly reduce the metabolic and inflammatory stressors that drive pancreatic cancer. Every cup of green tea consumed, every minute spent walking or engaging in physical activity, and every meal rich in vegetables, fruits, and whole grains contributes cumulatively to cellular resilience and metabolic stability. Prevention is a holistic process. The combination of dietary polyphenol, consistent physical activity, weight management, stress control, and adequate sleep strengthens the pancreas and the body as a whole, reducing the likelihood of cancer-promoting conditions taking hold. Over time, these habits transform the internal environment from one that favors tumor growth to one that supports cellular repair, immune vigilance, and long-term metabolic health. Through intentional, consistent choices, adults can take meaningful, evidence-based steps to protect pancreatic health and lower cancer risk, while also improving overall vitality and longevity.